I've been looking into time series foundation models for a while now, and time series data is everywhere, from stock market trends to energy grid demand and predictive maintenance in rail, for example. Yet, traditional forecasting models have struggled to keep up with the complexity of modern applications. This is the first part episode of what I think is a game-changing innovation, which leverages the power of transformers to unlock the full potential of time-dependent data. And now, about this. In this first episode, I'll introduce TSFMs, Time Series Foundation Models, break down for you their technical components, and explore how they revolutionize time series analysis, which is everywhere. TSFMs are a new class of AI models designed specifically for time series forecasting, anomaly detection, and optimization. They are built on transformer architectures, the same technology powering large language models like GPT. But instead of processing text or images, TSFMs analyze sequential data points over time. The key advantage? TSFMs capture long-term dependencies and complex patterns in ways that traditional models like ARIMA, LSTMs, or statistical approaches simply can't. Time series data drives decisions across several industries, yet traditional methods fail to unlock its full potential. With TSFMs, organizations can address this gap, delivering transformative value to customers while securing a leadership position in advanced analytics. So, what are the current challenges? Well, I would split those into two buckets: the critical and underutilized data and the real customer pain points. Industries struggle with inefficiencies, missed insights, and reactive operations due to outdated approaches of time series analytics. Yet, time series data is ubiquitous and vital for forecasting, trend analysis, and operational decisions. But existing tools are limited in handling complexity, integrating external factors, and adapting to changing conditions. The real opportunity here is to redefine how time series data is analyzed, providing unprecedented capabilities in particular for accurate forecasting. Models like TimeGPT, which is open source, Chronos from AWS, TimesFM from Google, or even Morai from Salesforce excel at capturing patterns even in dynamic environments. But also for real-time anomaly detection, which is like having immediate insights for proactive decision-making, and with actionable insights, I mean clear, interpretable outputs tailored for technical and business users. Finally, with simplified access by leveraging natural language interfaces, which democratize access to complex data insights. So how do TSFMs process time series data? I'll focus on three things. The first one, tokenization and patch embeddings. Whilst traditional forecasting methods rely on handcraft feature engineering, TSFMs break down time series data into tokens and patches. These allow the model to detect short and long-term dependencies dynamically. The second one, which is self-attention mechanisms. So TSFMs use self-attention, allowing them to weight the importance of different time periods. This means the model can recognize seasonal trends, unexpected anomalies, and long-term correlations all at once. And that's one of the key components of a large language model. And the third one, zero-shot and few-shot learning, which, unlike traditional models that require retraining for each new dataset, TSFMs leverage massive pre-training across several time series domains. This enables zero-shot inference, meaning the model can predict patterns in data that it has never seen before. Bottom line, with these capabilities, time series foundation models redefine how we analyze time series data. They eliminate complex pipelines, reduce the need for manual tuning, and make forecasting accessible to non-technical users via natural language interfaces. In the next video, I'll explore how this translates into real-world benefits and some use cases across industries. See you then!